In recent weeks, several social media users in India say their posts have suddenly disappeared or become invisible within the country. Instagram and Facebook have reached out to tell them that this is because of a legal order issued by the Union government under Section 69A of the Information Technology Act. What is striking is that many of these posts appear to share one common feature. They criticize or make jokes about Prime Minister Narendra Modi. From political commentary and memes to cartoons and new posts, multiple pieces of content have reportedly been blocked in India over the past month. Let's understand what's happening. According to data reviewed from Meta, the number of posts deleted from Instagram and Facebook between January and June 2025 following government orders was 300% higher compared to the same period in 2023. One of the most prominent examples involves political cartoonist Satish Acharya. On March 10, Acharya said that two of his cartoons were withheld in India. One cartoon referenced India-Iran relations and showed a blindfolded figure resembling Prime Minister Modi standing beside a body labeled "Killed by USA and Israel." Another cartoon referenced the destruction of an Iranian naval ship by a US submarine. Reacting to the takedown, Acharya said that attempts to suppress cartoons often have the opposite effect, making them reach even more readers. Several takedowns appear to involve memes and satire. One account's post questioning India's foreign policy decisions and alleging pressure from the United States was blocked. Another blogged post featured a humorous video thumbnail describing India's foreign policy situation. A different post mocking the Prime Minister's laughter during interactions with foreign leaders was also ordered blocked under Section 69A. Several videos mocking or criticizing Prime Minister Narendra Modi were also reportedly blocked following government orders issued under Section 69A of the Information Technology Act. One such video posted by the account @DocRGM mocked the Prime Minister over his reluctance to publicly share copies of his academic degrees.
सर, मैं हमेशा से सोचता था कि आपसे पूछूंगा, मेरी दिल की बात सुनेगा? जी सर, बिल्कुल। लेकिन उसका पहले सोच रहा था आपसे पूछ लूं एक बार।
ये देख, यहाँ पे मैं मगरमच्छ से पंजा लड़ाया था। हाँ सर, वो सब तो ठीक है, लेकिन आप अपना वैक्सीन बना के कैसे वायरस भगाया था? अपने क्रिकेट टीम को वर्ल्ड कप ला के दिया, चीता की घर वापसी करवाया था। हाँ सर, मैं मानता हूँ ये सब, लेकिन आप अपनी डिग्री दिखाइए ना एक बार। हेलो डीयू, ये लोग मेरे डिग्री के पीछे पड़े हैं अब। ठीक है, बढ़िया है। हाँ ठीक है। कहाँ से है तू? कोर्ट से है क्या? सर, मैं एक साधारण वोटर हूँ सर। ये देख, लायन सफारी का क्या मस्त फोटोज आया है।
साधारण फोटो है तो ये सब देखना, क्या पड़ा हुआ है डिग्री प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस का पीछे।
And the platform X informed the user that the content had been withheld in India in response to a legal demand. Another video that reportedly faced blocking orders was titled "All is Hell," which circulated on X and sharply criticized the current political and geopolitical situation involving India's leadership. Not only satire but political commentary too appears to have been affected. Journalist Sushant Singh and lawyer Prashant Bhushan reportedly received takedown notices for posts discussing remarks by Congress leader Rahul Gandhi. The post referred to allegations surrounding the Union Minister Hardeep Singh Puri and his links to disgraced financier Jeffrey Epstein. The government has not publicly explained the reasons for these specific takedowns because orders issued under Section 69A remain confidential. However, critics say the recent pattern suggests increasing censorship of political criticism online. Section 69A of the Information Technology Act gives the Indian government the power to order platforms to block online content if it believes the content threatens sovereignty, national security, public order, or friendly relations with foreign states. The directives are usually issued by the Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology. Supporters of the law argue that the government needs such powers to maintain national security and public order. But civil liberties advocates say that the secrecy around these orders makes it difficult to ensure transparency and accountability. For now, the full scale of these takedowns remain unclear. Platforms like X inform users when their posts are blocked in India, but detailed government data on censorship is not publicly available. What is clear is that the debate around free speech, political criticism, and government control of digital platforms in India is becoming sharper. And as more users share their takedown notices online, the discussion about how Section 69A is being used is likely to grow louder in the coming months.